Can you imagine going to a school that is located within a luxury resort? Well, that is exactly what Guidepost Montessori AYANA Bali is. This school is like one that we've never seen before, so we had to share it with you. The school caters to children from 10 months old right through to 6 years old. Now, a Montessori curriculum means that it's a child-led curriculum. All of the activities are based and led from the children's interests. This is Children's House. This is the classroom for the 2.5 to 6-year-old students. Now, teachers at the school here are known as guides because that's exactly what they're here to do, is guide your child through their learning. Welcome to the toddler room. This is where the students who are 18 to 36 months come to start their Montessori adventure. And as if the school itself is not impressive enough, the students also have access to all of the facilities within the resort. Come and take a look at some of the amazing spaces that these children get to learn in. Right next door to the school, you'll find the AYANA Farm. Now, the students get to come here and learn all about soil preparation, growing plants, harvesting fruits and vegetables, and also all of their meals are made directly from the farm to the table from the talented chefs here at AYANA. Forget a regular school playground, imagine having access to Tavanna Garden. Here the students get to go on trail walks, they get to do nature scavenger hunts, they even have a pavilion to do yoga in. Guidepost students also get to access the Saka Museum here at AYANA Resort. It has been voted one of the places to see by Time magazine as well. When they come here, they not only get the cultural connection by learning about all things Bali, but this place also has a theatre and a library that the children use as part of their curriculum as well. And in the theatre, it can even play in 4 different languages. This is one of the students' favourite areas to come and visit. This is the Jungle Adventure Playground, which is located within the resort. And of course, the Guidepost students also get access here. And when it comes to studying the ocean and under the sea, the students have access to the gorgeous Kubu Beach right here. We hope you've enjoyed taking a peek inside the world of the students that go to Guidepost Montessori AYANA Bali. And if this has interested you for your children, we've got all of the details on how you can join the school or book yourself a tour in the caption.